Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can put a bio on your Bumble account. So let's start. Open the Bumble app and go to your profile. Tap on your profile picture and then go to edit your profile. After opening the edit profile option, scroll below till you find my bio. Now tap on the empty space below my bio to write a fun and punchy intro. You can get idea regarding what to write in your bio from the internet. There are various options and results that you can find on Google search as well as YouTube community. After you complete writing your bio, tap on the tick mark on the top right side of your screen. Now you have successfully written a bio on your Bumble account that will appear just below your picture when going through your profile. That's it for the video. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.